Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi, the Frank Motors, Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai, Junka Tata Motors, Halatko, Ni Shillong, Rinkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakirdobying Jompi.
Ke Sarkar Meghalaya bat ke Sarkar Assam ha kasngi ba ar jong ka ar pokhin dai tarik unai leber ar hajar ar po ar kala Ïasoi ya kajingye menjur ban Pynkut no ya Jingïakajia pot kabala ne la san post nem kinthi ha ki henre tuli ki jaka ha kajingye lang kabala khot da menteri ketanat ki kampo ying ke Sarkar India u Amit Shah ha New Delhi. Menteri Ramba jong kajilla Konrad Sangma ukerwa baula pha shikilat pathai khubor ula ai khublai ki regional committees jong kajilla Meghalaya bat ka Assam ki bala treshi tomban wa di kilat kilenti pan Pynkut no ye kani Jingïakajia pot da kajingya slok lang bat ki pat ba jong kishnong ki badan hak hapot.
Today we have signed the agreement between Assam and Meghalaya in the presence of the Honorable Home Minister, and it's a historic day for the people of Meghalaya and Assam both, and for the Northeast region as a whole, because a 50-year-long dispute which has been there and the areas of differences which have been there, we have taken a major step towards finding a permanent solution to those problems. And we have signed today, agreed on 6 locations based on the MOU that was signed between Assam and Meghalaya on the 29th of January. And we will continue to work to finding solutions to the next 6 locations in the areas of differences that are there. At this point in time, I would like to thank our Honorable Home Minister for his guidance and for his leadership. It was on his direction that both the state governments came together and took this matter up in a very serious manner. And so I thank him. I thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam for all the work that has been done from Assam government side. I also would like to thank all the regional committee members who have played a very important role in making this entire thing possible, and all the officials who have worked very hard to come to this conclusion. And this would not have been possible without the hard work that has been put up by the committee members of both the states as well as the officials from both the states. So it's indeed a very historic day, and this is the best solution, as I said, that we have come up with, and we're hopeful that we'll be able to further work on the rest of the 6 areas of differences and come to a solution on those areas also in a very limited time. We will try to do our best to find a solution the fastest.